It's been 5+ days I've unboxed this Realme wireless buds and I'm really impressed with the sound quality, durability as well as the battery backup. Let us speak something frankly about the pros and cons of this device. Hello மக்களே வணக்கம். இது உங்க mobile phone library. நான் உங்க மகேந்திரன். I was really impressed with this build quality of this device. The rubberized design is very much impressive and the durability of the device is very much appreciated. I was really impressed with this lightweight design because Realme has done a great job in terms of weight balancing. The device feels very light on your neck. You will not realize that you are wearing an headset over your neck. That is the beauty of this device. And coming to the battery backup, it's been 5+ days I'm using this device. I've charged only once after unboxing this device. Still I have some more juice to go for 2 to 3 hours. This magnetized headset is doing its job very well, and if you are disconnecting this magnet and you are disconnected with your Bluetooth device, hence you are saving a lot of power in your Bluetooth device. The charge time is very less and it is charging very fast because it supports fast charging as well. So first of all, I would like to talk about this sound quality. When I am unboxing this device, I said that this drum is meant for only the bass boosting, but that is not the fact. In fact, it is excellent in terms of bass as well as the sharp, what we call it as triple. I said you guys, we need an equalizer to equalize the bass boost as well as the triple on this device, and it is not the fact actually. It comes along with the bass boost as well as the triple. The sharp is very crisp and the bass is very depth, but the vocal is a little bit downside. I noticed only 2 negative points with this device. The first one is the length of this cord. This is very quite lengthy and it comes down towards your belly. If there is a cable organizer for this can be fixed out. And otherwise the device performs very well. And the second negative point is the connectivity. I'm using my S7 Edge device which has 3.0 Bluetooth connectivity. When I'm moving from one room to another room, the connectivity goes off. It may be due to the 3.0 Bluetooth, but still if you are using with your 5.0 enabled device, the connectivity may probably increase. When you cover the device's right part, when you are moving away from your phone, in some distance it is disconnecting with your device. When you remove your hand of this, then the connection is established. Probably the problem will be rectified when you are very close to this device. This might be due to the Bluetooth device which is placed in this right part. This is not a big problem. This can be rectified when you are using a Bluetooth 5.0. If I get a chance to check with any of the 5.0 device, I will check that and put it in my comments. Also, by the time of unboxing, I said you guys that I don't know how to pick up the call when this device is attached because it is disconnecting from your mobile phone. But still, if you are attached and you are receiving a call, when you detach this, it is taking not more than 5 seconds to reconnect with the last connected device. That is the beauty of this device. If you are planning to buy this device, please go ahead and buy this. I really guarantee this device. You will love the sound quality, you will love the battery backup as well as the weight balancing of this device. When it comes to the sound quality of this device is amazing guys. Trust me, in this price point, the quality of this sound is extraordinary. If you are going with JBL or Sennheiser or some other else like Skullcandy, Bosch, you need to spend much more bucks to get this sound quality. For 1,800 rupees, it is very excellent device. You go ahead and buy this. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my videos. I'll meet you in another video. Share with your friends. Support me. Thank you.